guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Asteria hair. I bought this hair with my own money on the website, and I will show you guys on the link and on the video. But again, this is the 5x5 closure wig. It's transparent and it's 250% density. Like, that's amazing. I was kind of skeptical on buying the hair, but I was very sold when I saw it on YouTube and my friends bought it. So yeah, in this video you're really just gonna see me how I prep the wig all on my own. I'm plucking right now, like just plucking only in the middle, and then I'll bleach it and do baby hairs and pluck a little bit. So, and guys, enjoy the video. Comment down below and let me know if you like it or not. Duh! So guys, as you can see, I did all that, and I don't know if this is my first YouTube video since 4 months. Yeah, hi. You guys probably already saw it with me customizing and everything, but yeah, so I bleach the knots. Inside looks like, show you guys again, I bought all that little black stuff that you see is like what I did because I was bleaching the knots. I took out the combs that were in the hair because that really annoys me, and then I put an elastic band. So this is what it looks like without it being bleach or whatever, without me tinting it with my own foundation. I don't have a tinting spray, and I feel like that's worse because it's so much. But this is what it looks like. I did it all by myself. So I zoomed out so I could show you guys the hair, and as you can see, 24 inches, 250 density. It's so freaking full. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness, fire. Like, guys, look at the hair. Look at one side. Look at one side and bouncing, and this is the other side. I was playing with my products or whatever to see how the hair would last once I put all the products in and see if it would last long, and it does last long. Like, this is 2 days worth of the products that I put in last time, because I did take a couple of days to put this hair on because I wanted a fresh braids under. And as you guys can see, look at it. Again, I used my own money to purchase this hair, so I'm not sponsored, I'm none of that. But I saw other girls with Asteria hair or Asteria hair, and I was like, yo, this hair looks bomb. And you know what sold me? I had a girl on my Instagram who had the hair, and I was like, her hair looks so good, I wonder where she got it from. It was from Asteria hair. Mind you, I was already looking at Asteria hair, so I was like, yeah, this is a sign for me to buy the hair. Just a little bit more details. I ordered on June 11th, which was a Saturday. It got shipped out on June 14th, and then I didn't get the hair until June 20th. That's not bad for a week, I would say, because it got shipped out on the 14th. It took a week for me to get the hair. This is a deep wave long hair wigs for women, human hair long wigs. Again, 24 inches, 5x5 transparent closure wig, and it's 250% density. Of that was $376.25. After paid everything, you know, just in case it was trash and I got my money back, I washed the hair before I even put it in my hair, and when I was washing it, guys, it was amazing. Like, it barely shed like that. It shed, your hair is always gonna shed, but it didn't shed like to a crazy an extent. Like, no. And I shampooed it, conditioned. It was amazing. It was easy, no tangling, none of that. And it's all truth because I bought it with my own money, you know. Felt like 5'6", and look where the hair is. It's like nearly by my boobs, I would say. Again, I don't like to cut the lace on my head, but I'm doing a YouTube video, so I'm gonna just do it for you guys. As you guys can see, this is what the hair looks like. Tinted it with my foundation, well, concealer, and I'm still gonna use a scissor, cut in the middle, cut on the side. So already took that part out. With the Magic Root from L'Oreal. It's a cover-up, so I love this product so much because my forehead look like I don't have a forehead. The wig belongs right here. So like, I don't like the whole, like, you see how it's not straight, and it's nothing wrong with the hair. It's just because the bleach got bleaching too fast, you know, it started dyeing the hair. Some people use mascara if you don't have this, but this one is more, this is better because it's just a spray, you know. Oh, I sprayed the wrong part. Like, when I want to do a straight, as you can see, like, you see now it's starting to be straight. Like, I want it to be straight. and now it's straight. That's why I like it. Now it's time to get it wet. So guys, as you can see, this is when it's dry. It's still like the curl still looks good, fluffy, and like super curly. And I wet this side so you guys can see the difference. So even when it's wet, it's still full. Like, look at that. It looks so good. Oh my god. After you wet your hair and everything, you want to set your curls so it could stay looking like it's wet even when it's not. This would do it. That's why sometimes it could get fluffy. So you want to put it all over the hair, especially at the bottom, so it could stay curly. And yeah. And again, this one is to make the hair smell good. It smells like perfume, low-key. So guys, this is the complete look. I am in love with it. I show you guys when it was dry, how I got it wet, what products I use. It will be linked down all in the description box. Again, this is not sponsored by anyone. It should be sponsored by me because I bought it with my own money. But yeah guys, I feel like this is it. Again, I showed you guys the process when I first got it, how it looked. I give this hair a 10 out of 10. For shedding, while I was like wetting it, a lot didn't even come out. Again, even when it's wet, it's super full. That's the back. Hopefully you guys can see it. But this is how it looks from the side and from the back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get to know me and I'll get to know you. Follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram. And I see you, Chevies.
I should've known better.